Hello guys, today we are going to learn printers just for beginners. So let us move forward. Now, what is a printer actually? A printer is a device that accepts text and graphic output from a computer and transfers the information to paper, usually to standard size sheets of paper. Printers vary in size, speed, sophistication, and cost. In general, more expensive printers are used for higher resolution in color printing. The types of printers. The types of printers are laser printers. A laser printer is a printer that uses a focused beam or light to transfer text and images onto paper. The result is a clean copy of the image written on the paper. Because laser printers do not use ink, they have a less image smearing problems than inkjet printers and are able to print pages faster. Means laser printers can print pages faster, and laser printers do not use ink, therefore they have less smearing problems than inkjet printers have. So now we will learn about solid ink printers. A laser class printer that uses solid wax inks that are melted into a liquid before being used instead of jetting the ink onto the paper directly as inkjet printers do. Solid ink printers jet the ink onto a drum. Means the solid ink printers first get the uh, ink to the drum and then it prints on the paper. LED printers. LED printers are the most similar to laser printers using a drum, toner, and fuser system to apply colored or black toner to paper. Business means LED printers are as same as laser printers, but they use light to print. Business inkjet printers. Inkjet printing is a type of computer printing that recreates a digital image by propelling droplets of ink onto paper and plastic substrates. Inkjet printers are the most commonly used type of printer and range from small to inexpensive consumer models to professional machines. So it business printers recreates a digital image by means business inkjet printers make a digital image using small droplets of ink. Home inkjet printers. An inkjet printer uses ink cartridges. Here's how it gets the ink onto its paper. The printer processes an image or document from a device. We attach the printer cord to the device and then voila, it prints. Now, we will learn that what is multifunction printer. An MFP multifunction all-in-one or multifunction device is an office machine which incorporates the functionality of multiple devices in one so as to have a smaller footprint in home or small business setting or to provide centralized document management, distribution, production in large office. Means an MFP is such a good device that can give multiple features to us, and it can also be useful in small footprint or small business setting as well as big management, distribution, production, and large office. Dot matrix printer. So basically, what is a dot matrix printer? A dot matrix printer is an impact printer that prints using a fixed number of pins or wires. Typically, the pins or wires are arranged in one several vertical columns. A combination of these dots form a dot matrix image. They were also known as serial dot matrix printers, means with small dots a dot matrix image is formed. Moving forward, function of printers. Function of laser printer. It makes a laser beam scan back and forth across a drum inside the printer, building up a pattern of static electricity. The static electricity attracts onto the page of a kind of powder ink called toner. Finally, as in a photocopier, a fuser unit bonds the toner to the paper. Function of a dot matrix printer. See, the laser printer, it works like it doesn't have ink. It has ink powdered ink called it's in the toner, means inside the drum, and then it comes onto paper. Now we will learn about dot matrix printer. A dot matrix printing uses a print head that moves back and forth or in up and down motion on the page and prints by impact, striking an ink-soaked cloth ribbon against the paper, much like the print mechanism on a typewriter. Means the ink cloth moves back and forth or up and down in a dot matrix printer. Please keep that in mind. Function of LED printer. Similar to a laser printer, LED printers are non-impact but use a light-emitting diode instead of a laser. In the printhead, LED printers were initially developed by Casio and function by focusing light across the entire length of the drum, thus creating areas that are less charged, which attracts toner. Means LED printers print like laser printers, but they give slight light to the page and then they print. Moving forward, function of business inkjet printer. Inkjet is a type of computer printing that recreates a digital image by propelling droplets of ink onto paper and plastic substrates. Inkjet printers are the most commonly used type of printer and range from small, inexpensive consumer models to expensive professional Machines means some droplets of ink onto paper. Uh, the droplets of ink are put on the paper or plastic substrates. Any of them you can print by a business inkjet printer. Function of solid ink printer. When printing, a solid ink printer will heat up and melt the sticks of ink. The solid ink freezes almost as soon as it hits the paper, removing the risk that the ink may run or smudge during the printing process. The ink is bound to the surface of the paper, sitting perfectly atop all paper types. Function of multifunction printer. Multifunction printers have many features in one printer like printing, scanning, and photocopy, etc. Means you can use in all these three things. What are impact printers? It is a type of printer that works with paper via direct contact with the ink ribbon. Usually these printers are noisy but remain in use today as they are remarkable for their multi-part features. An impact printer has the same mechanisms as the typewriter. Some of the examples of the impact printers are dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printers, and line printers. What are non-impact printers? It is a type of printer that doesn't touch a ribbon to print it. They use technologies such as laser, xerographic, electrostatic, chemical, and inkjet. In general, non-impact printers are much quieter. Maintenance or repair is less likely than earlier impact printers. Some of the examples of the non-impact printers are inkjet printers and laser printers. So now, how to print a document from a printer? It's easy. Just watch this video. I hope that you guys have understood this. Let us see how to set up the printer.
Hello guys, today we will learn how to set up my printer. This is HP LaserJet P1108 and this is the best black and white printers in HP. So here is the model and we go behind, turn behind and this is the small USB port as you can see and I have my cable over here and I attach it and it must always go this way which I am showing now. Can you see this small three lines over here? So we have to go over here and fix it like this. Yes, so now it is fixed. So then I have this wire power cord over here and I have to fix this. These are the three dots over here, one, two, three, and also this is over here, this metal rods, and I have to fix it like this. Yes, it's fixed. Now I have to put this in my socket like this and on it, and voila, the setup is over. Now we will switch on the printer. Yes. Now for switching on the printer, this small power button is over here. We just switch it on and the printer is on. And this is the paper tray over here, and first we need to put our this part over here that the papers can fit, and also this is an adjustable thing over here. I can move it here. If we want to print a US letter size, we can print it. We can print an envelope, and the max size is over here for A4 paper size. So I have these papers over here. It's a 150 input tray paper, 150 input paper tray, and I put my papers and I first extend this and then put it. And here is my PC, and I first move this a little, and I put my power cord over here on my laptop. It must always go this way. If you put it this way, it will never fit. So this is my laptop's USB port, and I insert it this way, and I give a print command over here. Yes, and this is my PDF document over here, this one, and I give it for print, and as I'm printing this, it's going to come over here, and my printer is printing my document, and here you see my document is printed.
Uh, I hope you understood by this video how to set up a printer, guys. Now, which app should you download for HP multifunctional Wi-Fi printer? The app name is HP Print Service Plugin, and this is just a small screenshot. And now we'll see the parts of a printer. So, this is the rotating mirror, cleaning blade, fuser, charging roller, paper tray, charging wire, which helps in charging the printer as it connects with the electricity, photoconducting drum, this is the drum, belt, this is the belt where the paper are released while printing, control circuitry where the printers like a motherboard of the printer, laser beam is the where the ink is burnt and put on paper, developer roller is this, and toner is where the drum is stored. So the best printers in 2021 for home use are HP OfficeJet 5255 all-in-one printer, HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M281FTW, HP Tango X printer, HP DeskJet 3755 all-in-one printer, 6 HP OfficeJet Pro 8025 all-in-one printer, HP Sprocket second edition photo printer. And here we come to an end of our video. And guys, please like, share, and subscribe to my video. Please, guys, please like, share, subscribe to my video. Bye, guys.